At an industrial offloading site, a crane was being used to lift several long heavy metal pipes from a ship. Without warning, the load became unstable and the pipes began swinging uncontrollably through the work area. Workers quickly scattered in different directions to avoid being struck while the crane operator attempted to regain control of the swinging load. Workers ran about trying to prevent getting hit with the heavy metal pipes as it swung about. The incident highlighted the dangers of suspended loads and emphasized the importance of proper rigging. Inside a massive steel factory in downtown China, workers were transporting hot liquid metal in a large industrial container across the production floor toward a furnace. The glowing molten metal radiated intense heat as crews carefully monitored the operation, knowing how dangerous even a small mistake could be for everyone. But without warning, the container suddenly failed mid-transport. The support mechanism snapped, causing tons of molten metal to spill violently across the factory floor. Bright sparks and waves of heat erupted everywhere as workers ran for safety and emergency alarms echoed through the facility. What began as a routine transfer operation turned into a terrifying industrial disaster within seconds. Inside a warehouse, workers were arranging large stacks of cement bags when the unstable pile suddenly collapsed, falling toward the workers and burying parts of the work area. Co-workers nearby rushed in to help pull the trapped workers to safety as dust filled the warehouse. At a construction site, a bricklayer was working on the roof of a building, carefully laying cement as part of the construction process. Suddenly, the roof collapsed, sending debris crashing downward and bringing the bricklayer down with it as nearby workers looked on in shock. Work at the site immediately stopped as co-workers rushed to the scene and emergency assistance was called.